Hi friends, welcome back to new video. In this video I'm sharing to you the details of how to replace or remove the ink cartridges of HP Deskjet Plus 4120 model printer. HP Deskjet Plus 4120 model printer is one of the best all-in-one printer from HP brand. It has print, scan, copy and wireless functions.
Okay, let's see where is the ink carriage or ink carriages of this printer. First, connect the power cable to the socket of the back side of the printer. After that, turn on the printer with this button. Now printer is on. When the printer is ready to use, you will see 0 on the display. Next, open this access door. Printer's ink carriage is here. If it open, the ink carriage will come to the correct position for insert or replace the ink carriages. Please note, if the printer is off, the ink carriage will not come like this. It's mandatory to put the black on the right side, the color on the left side of the carriage, otherwise the printer will not work. The access door is indicated by the picture where the black and color carriage should be placed. Also indicated on this door the model number of the cartridge to be used.
305 is given here, therefore this printer will work only with this number cartridge.
Next, let's see how to remove these cartridges. Press on the cartridge down slightly and pull to out. Black removed now. For color also same procedure. Press and pull it out. Now both cartridges are removed.
This is the new 305 black and color cartridges of this printer. Print capacity and expire date is indicated on the back side of the box. This is 305 black cartridge. Print capacity is mentioned here. 120 pages approximate. This is 305 color cartridge. Print capacity is 100 page approximate. Cartridge expire date also mentioned on the box. Expire cartridges will be ink may dry out, so always check the date before buy it. Please note that print capacity may vary depending on the print content being taken.
Next, let's see how to insert these cartridges to printer.
This is the 305 black cartridge. Insert the cartridge right side of the carriage and push it slightly inwards. Black cartridge inserted now. Next, 305 color cartridge. Insert the color cartridge left side of the carriage, then push it slightly inwards. Now both cartridges are inserted.
Finally, close the access door. Now printer is ready to use. This video winding up now. If you have any doubts or need to know anything more, you can comment on this video. See you on next video. Thanks friends. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.